everyone, and welcome to today's video on designing a small room. If you are living in a small space, it can be challenging to make it feel both functional and stylish. But with a little creativity and some design tips, you can transform your small room into a cozy and comfortable haven. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of maximizing your space. In a small room, every inch counts, so make use of the vertical space as well. Consider installing shelves or cabinets up high to store items that you don't need to access every day, like seasonal clothes or extra bedding. Use multifunctional furniture such as a bed with built-in storage or a sofa bed to save space and increase functionality. Another great design tip for a small room is to use light colors and natural light to create an illusion of spaciousness. Paint the walls in light or neutral tones and use sheer or light colored curtains to let natural light flood the room. Mirror can also help create the illusion of more space by reflecting light and giving the room a sense of depth. When it comes to furniture, choose pieces that are appropriately scaled to the room. Oversized furniture will only make the space feel smaller, so opt for smaller, streamlined pieces instead. Don't be afraid to get creative with your furniture placement either. Try floating a sofa in the middle of the room or using a folding screen to separate different zones. Finally, don't forget about the power of accessories. Adding a few carefully chosen accessories can really make a small room feel like home. Use statement pieces like a colorful rug or bold artwork to add personality to the space, and don't forget about plants. Adding some greenery can bring life and vibrancy to any room. So, there you have it, some key design tips for making the most of a small room with a little effort and creativity. You can turn your small space into a stylish and functional oasis. Thanks for watching.